Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a little special because it started with you, with the feedback many of you shared with us. A lot of you told us that sometimes the gravity cup lids on your airbrushes get stuck. Really stuck. The kind where you brace your whole arm just to pop it open. And honestly, we get it. We've been there too. So we thought, all right, let's fix this. The first idea was simple. Make a new lid with a knob on top, something practical, like a tiny doorknob. But then we looked at each other and went, that's a bit boring, isn't it? And that's when the idea sparked. What if we made something fun, something modular, something you can customize, swap, and make your own? And that's how this whole project began. We started with the design process, sketching a bunch of concepts in 2D first. These were quick drawings, just to capture the poses and personalities of each figurine. Once everyone agreed, we began turning those drawings into full 3D models. This took a while, more revisions than we're proud to admit. But slowly, each little character came to life. Next came the connection system. We wanted something that clicks securely, swaps easily, and doesn't wear out. So we borrowed inspiration from something many of you already use, the cold shoe mount on your cameras. We created a simple male and female attachment system. The male connector sits at the bottom of the figurine, and the female connector sits on the lid. Slide, click, done. The best part? We already have 3D models of our airbrushes. So instead of redesigning the whole lid from scratch, we simply integrated the new system right into the existing cup lid. A perfect fit. Once all the figurines were placed, scaled, and posed just right, it was time for the fun part, printing. We recommend using a resin printer for the best details, especially if you want those tiny fingers, scarves, and facial expressions to show up. If you try FDM printing, please let us know in the comments how it turns out. We genuinely want to see your results. After printing, we went through the usual steps. Wash, cure, remove supports, sand everything smooth, and then we started painting. And yes, we used only Kaleido ColorWorks paint for the entire process, even for the tiny hand-painted parts. Here's the funny thing. We didn't expect the hand painting to work this well, but after testing, we discovered that if you pour some paint out and let it thicken for a minute, it becomes perfect for detail painting. Honestly, we were surprised, pleasantly surprised. A layer of varnish at the end, and everything came together beautifully. So what did we actually make? For this holiday drop, we designed a gingerbread man, an elf, holiday trees, a festive sock, a gift box, our 3D Gaahleri logo. We're not totally satisfied with this one. If you have ideas, please help us improve it. And then, our favorites. The drunk animals, a panda, a dog, a cat, a penguin, a walrus. We had way too much fun making these. Probably more fun than adults should admit, but we regret nothing. Each figurine brought so much joy to our office, and we hope they bring just as much joy to you. This project was fun, messy, frustrating, rewarding, but most importantly, meaningful. Because it reminded us of something important. Your feedback shapes what we do, and we want to keep listening, keep improving, and keep creating things that make your hobby a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. We know our products aren't perfect, but we're constantly working on it, and projects like this are born from your suggestions. It shows us how much better we can be when we build things with you instead of just for you. A quick personal note from me, the scriptwriter. I'm genuinely grateful to be part of a company that listens to its community. It's rare, and it's something we take seriously. Before you go, everything you saw today is free to download using the link in the description. You can download a single theme or grab the entire collection. We've even included the empty lids and attachment pieces so you can design your own figurines. And if you do, please share them with us through our Discord server, Facebook community group, or social media, and just drop a note to us. You can find the links in the description below as well. We would love to feature your designs on our website so the whole community can enjoy them, with full credit to you, of course. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting us, and thank you for being part of this journey. Take care, stay creative. Until next time, bye-bye.